Morning math lovers. Today I have a question on compound interest. The question is, I invest rupees 10,000 for 3 years at 8% annual rate of interest. A. What will be my compound interest at yearly compounding? B. How much will I make at monthly compounding? Answer. So what we are given? We are given principal P, rupees 10,000. We are given time, that is 3 years, and we are given rate R, that is 8% yearly. Now there are two ways to solve this, one by using formula, another by using table. So first we will use the formula method. So compound interest is P times 1 plus R over 100 raised to the power T minus 1. So we'll place 10,000 in P, then 1 plus rate is given 8, we'll put 8 here, over 100 raised to the power, time is 3 years, so we'll put 3 minus 1. So when we solve this, we get rupees 2,597. This is our first way, and it is a very simple way, formula method. Then we are going to use table method. So in this table method, you can see that I have 3 columns for year 1, year 2 and year 3. Then this is rupees 10,000 as principal. So in all the 3 years, rupees 800 is earned as interest at 8%. So 8% of 10,000 is 800, rupees 800, and in the third year also rupees 800. At the end of year 1, rupees 800 is earned as interest from rupees 10,000, that is 8% of 10,000 is 800. Then at the end of year 2, rupees 800 is earned from this rupees 10,000 at 8%, and also rupees 64 is earned from this rupees 800 from the first year. Remember that we have earned rupees 800 as interest in year 1, and this rupees 800 also grows, and 8% of this 800 will become 64, and then comes year 3. So after the end of year 3, we'll get rupees 800 from this principal rupees 10,000 at 8%. Then we'll receive rupees 64 from this rupees 800 which we have earned in year 1. Then this year 2 800 also gives us 64 rupees as 8% of it, and then this rupees 64 which we have earned in second year also grows at 8% and will give us rupees 5. Now we find out the subtotals. So year 1 subtotal is rupees 800, year 2 subtotal is rupees 864, year 3 subtotal is rupees 933. So we total all the subtotals from the individual years and we get rupees 2,597. So we see that from the formula method also 2,597, and from table method also we got 2,597. That means our answer is correct. Now we'll move on to question B, that is how much will I make at monthly compounding. So in monthly compounding, my principal is rupees 10,000. My time, now this time we don't have 3 as our time because we are doing monthly compounding. So 3 year cannot be our time. We have to multiply it by 12. We want to take it in months. So 3 into 12 equals to 36 months. Rate is also not 8. 8 is yearly rate of interest. We have to make it monthly rate of interest. So 8 divided by 12 will come as 0.6667% monthly. Now formula will be the same, that is P times 1 plus R over 100 raised to the power T minus 1. So we place 10,000 in P, then 1 plus R is 0.6667 divided by 100 raised to the power 36 minus 1. When we solve all this, we get rupees 2,702. Now we see that we have earned rupees 2,702 at monthly rate of compounding, whereas we received rupees 2,597 at yearly rate of compounding. So if we get our interest at monthly rate of compounding, then we will receive more as compared to yearly rate of compounding. So now we come to table method of deriving our compound interest. So you see that I have created a table, but this method is very tedious and boring. You see that I have created 6 columns, but there are 30 more columns to be made. But since I have run out of space, so I have only created 6 columns. So you see that it is a very time consuming and very long and tedious method, so I have abandoned it here. So this table method will also give rupees 2,702 as my compound interest for 36 months, but at the cost of a lot of efforts and time. So friends, you have seen two methods of computing the compound interest. One is formula method and one is table method, and also you have seen how we can compute interest yearly or monthly. Even we can find out quarterly or any other period of time, and also any other rate. You now know how to calculate compound interest. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.